You got the hiccups. Lexi. Is it on the table?
Where is my drink? My drink. Where's drink? At my restaurant, please. Please.
Okay. I was videoing Lexi. She has the hiccups. Can you give Lexi a kiss?
Come here. Come here.
Give her a kiss. Oh, that's sweet. You're the best big sister.
It's Hiccup.
She hiccuped.
Hiccup.
Hiccup. Do you remember when Lexi was in Mommy's belly, she would get the hiccups?
Mm-hmm.
And now she gets them out here, doesn't she?
She comes out to play with us.
She came out to play with us. Don't pick her up. Gentle, gentle.
I love you. I love you.
Oh.
Is your sacrifice?
No, she's only crying because you smothered her face. Gentle, gentle, gentle.
I like her.
I know you do.
Come on, your little sister. So bless me.
You're about to make her mad.